What's up? The Accord finally gets camber. I'm gonna try to make this a quick install before it gets too dark and I lose all light. But I finally get to make the rear even. And I may even touch a little more, who knows? But these are the arms I'm gonna be using. Nothing fancy, honestly. Just some eBay arms. They're like $65. They don't seem bad, honestly. It seems pretty good, though. These were actually recommended to me by Parker Burke. You guys check him out on Instagram. He's one of the sickest CGs ever. But I'm gonna try to make a quick install of these before it gets too dark. Alright, got the car off the ground. Got the glizzy on deck. All necessary tools I feel I should need. Let's just hope this install goes smoothly. Be back once I get the wheels off. Alright. The only thing I did not realize is how much of limited space I have to work with while trying to wrench on this. I'm honestly going into this as bareback as a naked piglet right now. I may still try it, no joke. I may still actually take a kick at this. I'll see how far I can get on this side though. Like I said, not a lot of wrenching room. It's a very tight space. We'll see. Alright guys, looks like I was able to actually get to it. This is on the passenger side. I finally got the passenger side finished. And I'm just going to tell you the hardest part about this, but to make it easier on you, to take this bracket off will give you a whole lot more ratcheting room. Because it's better than just taking a whole sensor out, so you can honestly just unbolt that way off to the side. This pin is going to be, this cotter pin is going to be into this castle nut. And dude, it's a pain. The best way I recommend is seeing if you can get to the outer edge of this thing and pry it off and bring it down towards the bottom of it. But besides that, it should be.
Wanna go so we can come back? Wanna go so we can come back?
So do not try this right here. It's not gonna work out.
You know what? I'm just gonna send you the money. Do what you need to do.
Can you actually do that? Well, I actually kind of want to take you for a ride in the car, though.
I can't do that, Derek. I'm gonna have to go get my car, sweetie. I gotta get my car because I left the thing in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, come look at my headlights.
How much does he charge? How much does he charge?
60.
How much it would cost to do it yourself? Literally, that's how much it would cost if you did it yourself.
Well, it costs more than that for the stuff now because people are starting to do it. We priced the shit dreams like the shit was running about $100.
These tires had camber on them for a while, so you can see that this side of the tire almost looks fresh, while the inside is the only part that's made for one. So, again, repeat that. Camber does not make your tires wear more, it just changes where the wear occurs.